We need to find number 3.
Number 3 for 3 degrees.
Lily, you look this side. Lily, you look that side. I'll look this side.
3.
Which way, left or right?
Left.
That's 6. So why would we go that way if it's
Oh, that's 6.
4, 3,
4, 3.
3.
Oh, you'll reverse it now. Oh, we've got
Right
mini
outside
golf.
the park.
Wow.
Feel the sheep on there.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Get out the way, man. Hello. Can we come in?
Yeah.
Welcome to our home for the week.
So come in here. Are you ready, guys?
Oh my gosh.
The first place. We don't even know
Oh, you're gonna like this.
The first place is here.
Look at all this. What the heck?
Guys. Guys.
That's really nice.
There's 2 ovens, guys.
Oh my.
Guys.
This is really nice.
Oh, what's that little thing in there? Oh my gosh, it's an actually big fridge.
What are you doing on our sofa? Mum.
I need to
Dad.
put some chairs.
Look, what was I doing on our sofa?
I don't know, it's crazy.
How do I?
Oh,
Hiya.
sideways.
So this is number 3, the Marriners.
It's sideways. It's locked. Boom.
Right, out of the way then.
You gotta unlock it.
Okay, are you ready?
Sassy, guys.
Are you ready, guys? Boop, boop, boop.
I mean.
Hiya. Hiya.
Yeah. So this is our pack.
Guys.
So we are staying in number 3, the Marriners, and it is a signature front row or sea view. 2 bedrooms,
Are you guys ready?
and we're gonna have a little tour around now.
Guys, are you ready? This is our... What
So this is the front room. Look at this.
What? Dolly?
Look at the view.
Anxious? They're on our sofa.
Oh,
Okay, are you ready, guys?
it's got 2 nice big sofas. You then got your TV,
Are you ready, vlog?
and this is your view, which we'll be
Vlog.
spending most of my time chilling.
Vlog, ready?
Ready? Woo! Coffee table, some stools. Got storage,
I saw a pumpkin outside.
TV unit,
Bye-bye. Bam.
and then you got your Bluetooth speakers in the ceiling.
Are you
Right, discos.
Are you guys
This is
ready?
like a nice little dance floor.
Oh,
We've got
dance
the back over there. Got a dance
Yeah.
floor, guys.
Are you ready, guys?
Yeah, we're coming now. We're just waiting for Mum. And then outside, you've got the decking area, and you've got nice table and chairs.
Do you guys want to go into
So
the
that's number 2,
dishwasher?
number 1.
Do you guys
It's number 4, 5, 6. All the Marriners, which is nice. And then, oh, what you should download as well is like an app which tells you the tide times. So I'll show you later, and I'll in fact insert a clip now of when the tide's in. This is what you'll see right here. And then when it goes out, it goes all the way out there, so you can go out and have a look, see if there any wildlife or sea life's in the Pebble Beach. Lovely view for the week.
Dad, we can open the dishwasher. Do you want to come and see?
Yeah, come see.
Hello, vlog. This is the dishwasher.
Ooh, dishwasher.
You guys just stay here for a second.
Table and chairs.
The other rooms.
Yeah, so you got a nice cooker, storage, toaster,
Do you guys want to go into the other room?
cutlery. You want to come open some doors and that and tell me what we've got? So you got more saucepans. Oh, this is cool, having all the plates and that just there.
What's this for? Wine.
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't think we should trust Mummy with the...
No. What
Last
happened
time-
last time?
She snapped it. She went.
What did you snap?
The ice cube tree. You also snapped
It's
a
a nice big
knife.
fridge freezer though, isn't it?
I know, we normally get like tiny ones. Look at these. This is an egg container. This is butter. This is sauce and condiments.
Cool.
And,
There's lots of
and
storage, isn't it? Oh, mop and bucket.
You can take him and move the shelves down.
That's cool, babe. It's like a Welsh dresser over there. What's
Does
in there? Anything in
anyone
there?
come into the other room with me?
You got a little letter or something.
Cool.
Does anyone come
HDMI.
into the other room?
We
Come
will.
on,
Yeah.
then.
Can we just finish in here?
You got two cupboards and
What's
then up here.
Do you
What's
guys
under there?
The
Bins.
sink and bins.
Bins.
Guys,
Bins
the
and
right
sink.
ones. Oh, and underneath here, these to go in the dishwasher, I think.
Okay, cool.
Does anyone else want to go?
And then here's the dishwasher, guys.
I've already showed them
You
that.
showed them that. Lucy showed us.
Right then.
Does anyone want to come into the other room?
Yeah.
Come on, guys, then.
Come on then.
Come on, Mum. Okay, Mum. They're not yet. Mum needs to come.
From your kitchen area and your front room, you've got a hallway.
Do you want to come
Cool.
in this one?
So you've got somewhere to hang your coats. And you put your shoes. A little stool to sit on, put your shoes on that. Nice demo there by Lily. And then what's this room? The bathroom?
Yes.
In here, we've got a lock, got a shower.
Excuse me.
Excuse you.
And then here we've got, oh, nice. Oh. That was nothing.
It's cool though.
Stop, stop, stop. You don't even want to be there.
Right, stop. Pick a door each.
This one.
Okay. So, you do that one after the other one.
That's your bathroom.
So are you ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
This is gonna be the grown-up
Whoa,
bedroom.
this is cool.
This is my bedroom. My
It's
bedroom.
massive.
My bedroom.
No, this is Mummy and Daddy's bedroom.
Oh, toilet. You've got a toilet.
We got a toilet.
Ew. Smelly
How
toilet.
beautiful is this?
This is really nice.
Okay, now.
Actually, Daddy wants it.
Got some storage. Wardrobe.
Don't need to open it.
Oh, got a light.
And a pillow.
That's cool.
And me little companion. Yay.
Yeah. Yay.
And the bathroom.
Oh, there's another shower. There's another shower.
I know, but no bath. 2 showers, no bath.
No, I'm not flip.
Really nice.
Lily's room.
Nice little TV as well. Lots
I'll
of
lead you to me and Lily's room.
wardrobe space.
I'll lead you to me and Lily's room. Come
Lead
on,
me to
Lily.
Lily's room.
Go!
My room.
Oh my god.
My room. I sleep here. I bang my leg on the bar.
Oh,
Ow.
You got a little dressing area, girl.
I bang my leg on
I'm
the
gonna do my
bar.
makeup here every
If you
morning.
get the other stool, you can have a stool each.
Yeah.
I bang my leg on the bar.
you alright? Nothing. What's in there? That's a wardrobe.
Mum,
Yeah.
will you not use your stool? Mum, will you not use your stool?
We have a drawer each, the wardrobe to share.
That's cool. And back out in the hallway.
I'm having them.
Ow.
Yeah, let's just turn the lights on.
Ow, my knee.
You okay?
Yeah.
So, quick socket check as well. We've got 2 there with 2 USBs.
You guys want to go and...
Got 2
We
and
need to hide, don't we?
sockets.
Where are we going to hide?
I just goes to the park.
So your thermostat is there. That's where your Bluetooth speaker is.
Daddy.
So Bluetooth on the left, thermostat on the right.
So mum could go.
Some more sockets were there for obviously kitchen utensils. So that's all your sockets in here. Any sockets out here? Yeah, you got a socket there.
We've got stuff. I think we've got stuff in our bedroom.
Our bedroom.
You got 2 and 2, 2 and 2.
And we have 4
That's
sockets
cool.
in our bedroom.
2 USBs, 2 sockets
We
each
have 4
side.
sockets in our bedroom.
Oh, 4 sockets in the girls' bedroom.
2 there.
And you
then
got
we
2 USBs.
2 things, and then we got 2 USBs as well. So we got
Go around and
4 sockets and 2 USBs.
That's cool. Where you going?
Yeah.
So we have got a sofa bed.
But it's only this one.
So we've got a sofa bed in the front room. We've got a master room and
The bedroom or
2 singles. And this is our pack.
Daddy,
We'll open the welcome pack. Let the fun begin. But Haven, welcome us to our holiday home. It's cute. Enjoy your stay. Thanks, Honey and Maddie, for cleaning it. It looks nice.
Let the fun begin.
The keys are in there now.
Hello. The keys are here.
The keys were in there though.
They were in there, you're right.
And then first,
Oh. Got a map.
we got welcome to Doniford Bay.
Have a look.
Can I
Park.
Can I look at the map after that? It's the other way around, Dad. Do you want me to hold it open and just go through my
That's a big map.
And this is where we're staying, Doniford Bay.
And then on the back
Mama.
says stuff about
Rotate, rotate.
We've got
No,
the local and useful phone numbers.
Cool.
It's a civic building that's the same way.
So local
Just follow the
and useful
clues.
phone numbers.
And on the back.
So it tells you about reception, bars and restaurants, and car parking.
And then what we've got here, we've got
Top tip for your holiday home. Why are my lights not working? What do I do if my TV doesn't work? I have a boiler fault.
Cool.
We have a boiler fault.
It tells you what to do if you encounter a few problems.
I've never seen that before.
Cool. So yeah, no information about when to see the Seaside Squad or what's on in the evening, but it is on the app.
and then if you need us.
Cool.
And
They
then
lined something.
the last thing in here,
It does say check out the app to see what's going on.
Cool.
last thing we got in here.
Which was only updated last night, so it should be correct.
We've got our ticket.
And then what are they? Your passes?
Yeah.
And that's our tour of number 3, the Marriners. Sorry. And we're just going to complete our checking in, and we are going to take their little short survey, which I'll show you on the screen, of their cleanliness. So, accommodation was clean upon arrival. We happy?
Yeah.
Strongly agree. And my accommodation was well maintained. Strongly agree. Next. Thank you. All done. So we're going to unpack the car, which we've got a space just there, right outside the caravan, and unpack and then head off to the supermarket.
You have to do weights at the same time.
What a view. So I've just downloaded an app called My Tide Times. I'll show you on the screen now. So I'll set it all up. Allow location. And then you get a choice of nearest location. So we're at Watchet, which is Doniford Bay. So it now says high tide is at 5:58 in the morning, so 6 AM, and then low tide is 12 in the afternoon, and then high tide will be back at 6:20 tonight, 6:18. So it's gradually now coming back in, and at 6:20 it should be back right here. Girls are getting ready, so I thought I'd just come and show you the channel, Bristol Channel. About 30 minutes from high tide, peak of the high tide. Wow, we actually booked this van using the Haven app, and we picked the My Holiday Home section. So we selected where we'd like to go. We knew the Marriners was very good because we stayed here before, and we just wanted to ensure we'd get this view. Like, why wouldn't you?
Don't
forget to subscribe to our channel.
I do subscribe our channel, turn on our channel.
Remember to hit the notification bell and give us 2 thumbs up.
Bam!
Bye guys!
Bye guys.